Viewers, thanks for stopping by again. I have this big box. I ordered on eBay. This one is the Lantern Vintage. The model is 285. This one's a used box. They have a very good feedback in eBay. And let's crack this one. What's inside? So it means this lantern is about more or less 33 years. So one of the survivor, and it says there in the ads, this one is really clean, mint condition. He said that it's new. So the only thing that we know if we open this box. So let's do it. So here's my little dandy knife. So let's open it. So let's see if this one survived to the shipping or to the mail. But it looks like they put a lot of cushion here. So here's the moment of truth. It's there. Look at it, and so it's positive. The ventilators look new, and the bale it's shiny. Put this on the side. Keep digging. And here's this one. It came with a hard case. Hard to remove it. There, it's a color black case. Put on the side. During that time, it says here. So the sale price is 20, and the old price it's 39.99 each. So that's the real sticker there. And now try to get it. So I just want to show you what's the inside. So here's the old mantle. And this two mantle is made from here, Winchita. Also, as parts that you expect, they always have filter panel there. And it comes with a heat shield too, to protect the body or the pump. And the panel, it comes with the breather there. And spill proof too. And there's a angle the way they cut it. So here's the unit. Put this one in the side, and let's go open it. So it's very secure. They put some tape too so that it not move for the shipping. The number one I see. The good thing, this one is still made in the USA. I peeled the globe stick. And let's check the stamp. If they have a very clear stamp. So it's there, 1993, December, and they very have good clear stamp, very deep. So put this underneath bottom part of the case. And after that, remove all the support here, the box, and put the bail in. And let's see what this ones look like. Tape is out. Now time to get the globe. Globe is out. It says here very clear, made in the USA. If you want to order it, it's there. G101 is the model. Here's the heat shield. Put it on. Just follow the how you put it. And I think this one is locked. Put it down. So it's not gonna move anywhere. Drop the lining up. Drop the globe. This is like spring loaded. They have some, I think, a tin metal there. Maybe that one is stainless. And then after that, remove the nuts. And put this one on. So let's drop it there, line it up. Put the nut on. Now it's there. You have a ready to fire Coleman. And I show you side to side for comparison. I have the 220 version here. Same here. Color green. This one is gray. So side to side comparison. So this one's a little bit bigger. This one is shorter. They're like brothers. Difference is the size. This one is only single fuel. This one is dual. So that's the one. That's why I buy this one, because dual. So in case you didn't have the fuel lantern fuel available, you can still use the gas. And put this one in the side. So let's measure it quick so that I give you the exact size. This one is standard. You include the nuts, it's like 12 inches 1/2. And the base point by itself, total of 5-in-1 port. The widest part for ventilator, it's 6-in-1 port. And the top of the ventilator, it's 5 inches. So that's the measurement there, roughly, more or less. So if you want to know what's the size. And then one, I noticed the old one is a little bit thicker than the brand new now, if you want to get the case. So that's the one I peel. So look at how thick is the plastic. Very stable. So let's put the base on. So the base on is there. You can just press this one and it's locked, and both ways. Now it's locked now. So I think that's all pork. So whatever I show you there, that's the one it looks like. But it's a pretty clean unit for the age of this lantern. All the instructions there, just follow the instruction and you can part that by yourself. And the number one, I noticed on this one, there's no any manual. But let's check the box. So I found the manual is there, is present. Manual is like a single large paper. suggest to read this one before you try to fire your equipment. And I think this one's the warranty card, and it says 3 years warranty, but it's already void. It's already 33 years, so no more warranty there. So that's why you need to be careful on this kind of vintage. So there's no warranty, so all is in you. So I already wrap up this review, just the unboxing. Maybe soon I just gonna show you how this one is fire. So for now, I just unboxing. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Until my next one, God bless. I'm out.